Trying to be with you much longer. I don't need nobody else. You know that you take over you.
Hey y'all, it is Kyla Renee, as you know, and today I am coming with y'all for the NGP girls trips video. And before we get this video started, I'm gonna show y'all the place that we're staying in. We're in Nashville, Tennessee. Like, we're really close to the Oprah Mills Mall, but I'm gonna give y'all a room tour of where we're staying before we start the activities. When you walk in the room, this is what you see. We have a door right here. What's in here? Washer and dryer. Okay, and then come in here. Here's the kitchen. Nice little island. Whatever, refrigerator, microwave, whatnot. This leads to another room, but that's not our room, so it is what it is. That's Kaya changing. But here's like the little eating area. Living room, kitchen, whatever. We have a balcony out here. And yeah, I can't go outside right now. Well, let me actually not be slow and figure it out. Okay, well, I'm not figuring it out right now. But we have a balcony, then a TV. And then here is the room. Here is Leah. Hey, Leah. This is for Kaya. And we're Kaya. But yes, this is the room. Here is one part to the bathroom. And De'Ara's in there doing number 2, so I'm not gonna go in there. But she's in there using the restroom. But yeah, this is the room tour. We're about to do something. Like I said, this is the Greek picnic and girls trip vlog. So it's a mixture of celebrating 2 of my line sisters' birthdays and doing a Greek picnic. So we're finna first do the first extravaganza thing or whatever. And I'm not gonna tell y'all, but y'all probably gonna see it in like the thumbnail or title. But I'm gonna show y'all when we get there and show y'all how it is. And I think that's 2 of my other line sisters that's being on the door, but y'all will see them later. Oh, this thing wobbly. Wobbly.
Entry prices.
Hey y'all, so we are on the way to the first extravaganza, and we had to split up in 2 different cars because there's 6 of us, so 3 and 3. Leah, the Uber driver for the weekend. Right. She don't want to be, but she's the Uber driver for the weekend. And we have Rikaya in the back. Keep the car seat on while he didn't take the car seat at the car. Because but we ain't gonna talk about that, y'all. We ain't gonna talk about that. Cause
can you unhook it so I can take it out when we get back?
See, look, I make her take it out. But I will show y'all when we get there. It starts extravaganza, and these are the heels that I'm wearing for what we got to doing. So maybe that give y'all a hint for what we're doing. But yeah, we will talk to y'all when we get there. Look at the fits. Oh wait. Everybody in shorts. I'm the only one that's not in black, but it's okay. Look at it. Yeah.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel. But you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it.
Hi, my name is Emma, and I lost my husband due to colon cancer, and I draw a widow check. Oh, it's okay. But keep me in your prayers. Thank you.
No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's strange, can't tell your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hey y'all.
Hey.
It's us hacking the
vlog.
Yeah. Yes, we are on the way to, we are getting the cake for our line sisters. Yes. Kyla gonna see us and be like, when did they record this?
She gonna be like, Brad.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. That's on the. But yes, I'm just updating you because she didn't update y'all. But yeah. See y'all later, because I think she's coming back now.
Okay, y'all, we are at Target. Me, Leah, and Rikaya. We're here. We went and picked up some bundt cakes for De'Ara and Shayla for their birthdays. But now we're at Target because we need to get candles and a lighter. And I think Rikaya gotta get some other stuff, but I ain't got big tell.
Y'all need paper.
Oh, for the gift? Oh, I'm just gonna give it to us.
Right.
I'm just gonna give it to her. But yeah, we're in Target, as you can see. And you, oh, this Target kind of, oh, look at this Target, y'all. Hold on. Let me show y'all this Target. Okay, it look a little different than the one in Memphis. We're on a hunt to find candles, but neither one of us know. We looked at it on the app, but the app is not telling me what app, or I'm not reading it right. Oh, this is delivery. Oopsies. And that's still the, I don't know. Oh well, we can actually work though. Oh, we should. Oh, this crab. Oh, the birthday stuff over here. Yeah. Oh yeah, it should be over here somewhere. Yeah, right here.
Cool. That's a big candle.
I mean, since we're getting it for both of them, you don't want to just get the regular candles?
Yeah.
How many come in there? 13, and it's 12 cakes, so it'd be one on each. They don't need nothing else. She want to have birthday crown? We can get them both one.
What?
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah. How they know at the restaurant?
Yeah. And that's about it. That's about it, big dog.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it.
Okay, y'all, it's music playing, but y'all finna see us getting ready in montage, whatever it's called.
By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Say you got the time zone mixed
Okay,
up.
y'all, I just did my makeup, and I really didn't do makeup. I put stuff under my eyes. Let me know if y'all want a no makeup routine, because I've been thinking about doing that. But let me know before I actually do it, and then y'all really don't want. But yeah, this is, now she had knots. De'Ara was almost done. I think she's
Don't mind the outfit. Don't mind the outfit, y'all.
Huh? Yeah, look at the chicken feet. Shirt from where?
It's giving Snooki. It's from, what's it called? Cat. What's it called?
The strip place that we
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Leah is still doing hers. Rikaya is done. Shayla is done. Wait, are you done with your makeup?
Shayla's not done.
No, Shayla's not done with her makeup.
Disregard.
Disregard, yeah. And where's Candace? Candace is over there trying to be a scholar because she did not do her test, and it was due an hour ago, and she's trying to make an excuse to do a test. But yes, I will. Dang, I will show y'all when we're done. I'll show y'all everybody's outfit when we done, cause we some baddies. Every single one of us bad, whole lot bad. We missing two, but whole lot bad. Kitty purr. All finally dressed. We're waiting on Leah to put her press-ons on. But Candace showing the fit. Where you get the dress from?
Ooh, Fashion Nova.
Fashion Nova shoes.
Fashion Nova. Per. Ego.
Oh, Ego heels. Okay, per. Shayla, outfit check. Tell them where you get it from.
Team.
Okay, per.
Yes.
Shoes.
Oh, H&M.
Oh, okay. Who's next? Who's ready? Okay, here's the birthday girl, y'all. Look at her, baddie. Tell them where you get your outfit from.
Okay, this dress is from Shein. Rings are from H&M.
Yeah.
I got this a long time ago.
Yeah.
Purse is from Windsor, and shoes, you gotta get close up on the shoes.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me turn them around.
Shoes are from
Yeah.
Dillard's. They are what they call
Giovanni.
Yes.
Look at her, get her, look at her, purr.
AliExpress.
Per her AliExpress. Cheap.
effective.
Yes, cheap and effective. Kaya, come on.
Okay, so shirt from H&M,
Per.
skirt from Windsor,
Per.
shoes from Amazon. I got a purse over there, also from Amazon.
They're the brown purse over there.
I got the shoes.
Yeah, per.
Birthday
Okay,
gift.
Ooh, per. Leah put on her nails, but she can give a quick overview.
Dress, pretty little thing. Shoes, Crocs.
Ooh. Y'all, look at that.
My shoes are actually from Ego.
Okay, well, yeah, when she put them on.
And I don't know.
Yeah, baddie. Yeah. Okay, don't record me. Let's do well. Okay, okay, dress. I actually have no idea where it's from. I think Fashion Nova, but dress Fashion Nova. Necklace, don't know. Rings, Pandora and Pretty Little Thing. Bracelets, Pandora. And the heels, Gia Bunny, like Diera said, is hers. But yeah, that is my outfit. And as you see, we all baddies, but we're finna go out to eat for Diera's birthday. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of that when we get there. Hey y'all, we are at the restaurant. Yeah, Rakaya, Candace and Shayla, and Diera. Yeah, we're waiting on our food. We ordered our food already and we ordered drinks, but it's been like 30-40 minutes. Not 30, let me stop there. It's probably been about 20 minutes or whatever. But yeah, look good. Like, I'm really feeling this weekend already, and it's on to day 1, and it's the vibe. Diera's trying to take birthday pictures, and she's using my phone because you know the bad girl, the bad B got the 13 Pro, and all of them got the raggedy phones. So I'm just playing. Yeah, she used my phone to take the pictures, but yeah, we're waiting on our food. We're waiting on all of that stuff.
Isn't it them?
And y'all, I tried to take pictures on this camera. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna actually show y'all how it kind of looks. I gotta figure out how to change the settings on here because I don't know any of the settings, but.
Wait, Leah, let me show you the.
Okay, so like, look at this. Dang, is it gonna focus? Hold on. Let me try to show you. That's one picture. This is another picture. Yes, but thank you.
You're welcome.
But yeah, I'ma let y'all know we just got our drinks. Here's mine.
You all have drinks?
But yeah, I'ma catch up with y'all. Me, my drink. Candace got the same one, and Diera and Leah, we got that. We got the little bear glass, but yes. Intermission, going to a party. Birthday girl.
Pull up in that monster automobile, gangsta with her that.
Candace, the Uber's on 6 minutes.
Oh. Well, 6 minutes away. Y'all want to wait 6 minutes? That way she can drink too.
I don't want to drink though. Like, I genuinely don't. I'm gonna drink tomorrow. So we can literally save the Uber for tomorrow. Yes, I'm positive.
Okay, well, their fits too. The Shayla, Kaya, Leah. 21 years.
I'm 22
We're all
today.
21.
I'm 22.
So ignore that vlog that said 19th birthday because I skipped 2 years. So, but yes, we're 21. Good morning. It is July 30th, the day after. I think the last time y'all heard from me was talking about the party that we were going to. And now we're getting ready to go to brunch. And it's like 8:30, I believe. I'm trying to put on this hair because it got super puffy. I might insert a pic if I want to feel like sending myself out and how my hair looked last night, but it's kind of straighter now. Diera's doing her hair. This is the birthday girl. Well, not 19, we're 22. 22nd birthday. 20, yeah. 22 and 22. 20, yeah, 22 and 22, yeah. But we're getting ready, Diera. This is not even all her makeup, but Diera's getting ready. Yeah, dope. Candace and Kaya is trying to finish these shorts for today. And then Leah and Shayla, they're still laying down. I ain't got up, but the reservation for brunch is still at the same time. So I mean, it's up to you. Then go ahead and leave. Hello. Shoot, if I got this from y'all. Oh. No, I'm just playing. Now I gotta choke up though. Yes, but I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'm gonna catch y'all when we're done getting ready. Yeah, I don't have nothing else to say. Yeah. Bye. Hey y'all, it is Kyla Renee. Oh, there's a not the him. Ask him. Leah. We could have asked him where how to get to the fucking river from here. Oh my god, it's a cotton field, y'all. That's not cotton. That is not cotton. What is it?
Should I keep going? Or should I ask him?
It's up to you.
Just ask him.
I mean, it's 4 of us. Suck this shit. You can ask. No, Kaya. Go let down the window. Now get out the car. Go let down the window.
Girl, you gonna walk up to me? I think you trying to attack him.
He probably not racist.
You ain't no problem, baby. I don't know. Are you still recording?
Yeah. This man look confused as hell.
Thank you.
Don't be shaking. It's okay.
I don't be like that.
Can we ask you a question, please? Oh, we don't know where we're going.
I am
what this
so
road
lost.
leads to?
So we're gonna keep going on this road.
Okay.
Do not turn left.
Okay.
Keep going and yeah.
I just keep going.
You just keep going and then there'll be like these two fields, like this field and then I think like another field, and then you'll take a left and then you'll be out of here.
Wait, so we do it to take a left, just not immediately.
Not immediately. Don't take it on the ledge when you see it there.
Can I ask you why?
Because you'll just keep going into more forest and stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Y'all trying to
Thank
get out of here?
you. Yeah, we're trying to get out.
Well, I'm trying to go to the. I want to see the river, but I don't know how to get
You want to see
there.
the river? It's
Yeah.
there.
Turn around. Do you think we should turn around now or like
If you-
exit out and come back?
I'm too far from turning around.
Y'all just want to do it right now? Just turn around.
Right, ain't nobody coming, so technically you can do a 3-point turn.
Okay. I just think this road is real narrow for me to be turning around.
Toyota can't handle it.
They said just go this way.
Just keep going straight.
Keep going straight.
So you
and
just
then
said
don't make an immediate
don't make an immediate left, but
Don't make
after
an immediate left when you see it, but like you just keep going and then you'll see like another left, a couple, 3-4 miles. And then, yeah.
okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God.
We gotta start. We almost died, y'all. We are on an adventure. My line sister Leah, the driver, wanted to take us out to have a fun day, and we're lost in the woods.
I'm enjoying myself.
It's a very fun experience, y'all. It's not a fail.
It's okay.
It's not a fail. I don't know why she's apologizing, but
You thrive on the creek.
yeah. But yeah, we're in the woods now. I don't know if you see. We're like in the woods. We're trying to find our way back to where we're supposed to do. See, I got my swimsuit on. Kaya, say hey.
Reality.
Don't make a media
Deanna, say
left.
hey. So
Hey, don't make that look. Keep going
and
straight.
then Leah's driving, so I'm gonna let her introduce herself later. But I'm gonna keep y'all along with us and see what we end up doing for today. We almost got ran over by a car.
Because he was going too freaking fast.
I'm so glad I swerved.
Yeah, he was going way too
He
fast.
was coming on that curve.
He was trying to murder somebody. His
If Leah
girlfriend
was
broke
like
up with
looking
him.
down at her phone or anything, we probably would have got
Yeah,
like
he would have died.
And
in an
Actually,
accident.
he would have died because he was in that small car.
And that's why he was looking like, bitch, you know. Sorry.
Bleep it out. But yeah, we would have been, ooh, that's so dark. We would have messed up if we would have got
okay,
hit.
Leah.
Especially because we're in the middle of nowhere, so we got hit. But when we get some more stuff, I will catch y'all later. Y'all, look at this. This is the same red car that almost hit us earlier. Y'all, look at that. Look how fast we going. Look at this hoe.
I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to one you.
Y'all, look at them. Y'all see how that water? Who finna get that close to that water? Baby. I bet you 1 foot in, you down. I wonder how far, like, when does it get deep, though? Like, is it right there?
Kyla, you was drowned.
Oh! Look, plop. Just go down. You can go like this. Hey, y'all. Look at them acting like some... Not gonna say the word, but... Hiya. We're just out here.
White girl tanning.
Just tanning, like, who knew I would have tanned? Like, who knew this would happen? But out here tanning, people tan. Oh, that's the titty. Tanning, people tan. Just out here, just enjoying life. Being the bad bees that we are. Well, not bees, we're not bitches. I mean, shit. Bad women. Being the bad girls we are.
Is your channel family friendly? Who knows? It's too late to know.
When I cussed, I was like,
Oh no, I can curse on it. For sure.
Who's your rain and thunder? Baby, I wonder. Baby, I wonder. Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug.
Hey y'all, honestly, I can't even do no intro because this girl is finna kill me in this car. Just look. First of all, look how close we are to this other car. Look, she finna hit on her brakes in a minute and she gonna be right up on them. Look, see. Look at this. She ain't even break. Look at this. Kid. Anyways, y'all, me and Candace are on the way to Texas. This is let me over, bitch. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look, y'all. Look, oh. Just sorry. This is so funny, and this was not even planned. Like, this is how she drives on a daily basis, like anywhere. But anyways, we are on the way to Texas Roadhouse. I'm going to do a weekend in my college student life. Today is Friday. It is 5:27 right now. I don't think I have any other plans for tonight other than this, so I'm just gonna take y'all along with this weekend and see what I do in a weekend as a college student. So make sure y'all just like, comment, and subscribe, and stay with your girl. And yeah, you got anything to say, Candace? Instead of that you're not gonna kill us? No. Well, just pray, y'all. Pray she not gonna kill us today. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all. We are in Texas Roadhouse. We've been in here for a little minute. We already got our food. I got the, it's a Sierra? A Sierra. Whatever chicken pasta this is, I got this chicken pasta, sweet potato with like the marshmallow and cinnamon and sugar and broccoli. What you get, Candace? Steak, baked potato, chili. But yeah, that is our stuff here. I don't know what the plans are for tonight, but it's gonna be something, so I'm gonna get y'all back tonight. But it's feels pretty good. It don't taste as good as it usually do when I get it to go, but it's alright. It still tastes good, so. But yeah, I was so good.
You have to be.
Oh, no.
I can do it with the chair card.
It is. Oh, not the name. I mean, not.
Fort Thomas.
It is 801. Okay. You guys, I am currently at Candace's apartment with Adasia and Candace. We are doing secret society stuff, so I can't tell y'all what we're doing, but we're preparing for something that's coming up. So please, you have to say to the blog today.
Stream my music. Cap JR just had a new EP drop. Yeah.
She's playing, y'all. You know my intro?
She's canceled.
The intro song, that's from him.
That do be me.
That's from him. So go mess with him for sure. Go mess with him for sure.
The pussy.
I don't want to touch her. She bites me sometimes, but she's adorable.
Don't do her like that.
She's bit me twice since I've been here. But yeah, that's really all we're doing right now. Just a chill vibe. Nothing much.
You gotta know how to play with it.
Kitty purr. No. LOL. LOL. Bye.